Here is the barn where the car was resting for a long time, buried. And what car am I talking about? 1961 Plymouth Fury convertible. From Texas. And it does have some rust. There's some on the quarter panel there. A little bit there. Rockers are solid. Fender's got some Bondo here. So this is a 318 with an automatic, and I believe everything is complete in here. I'm not sure what happened to the hood. That fender is solid but dented. Again, the rockers are pretty good. A little bit of rust there. And again, the bottom of the quarter panel. Underneath, the actual frame rail sections are good. The trunk floor is not the best. You can see it's been patched. There are holes. And of course, raccoon poop everywhere. So that all needs to be cleaned out. Actually, the lip of the trunk, it's got a couple, it's a little rough right there. It's savable. That is solid. Does have a rear seat, and the floors are gone. So it does need new floors. Has the aero wheel, which is crumbling. And it's the push button automatic. Does have a clock, so that's cool. And it shows 67,000 miles. And the person I purchased this car from, he got this car out of Texas, and he had planned to restore it. It was going to be a project along with his wife, and his wife passed away. It's just not going to work on it anymore. But he said it did have a highway hi-fi. That's what the previous owner told him. So that's what those brackets are for. There was a 45 RPM record player in there. So there's Texas 1971 1978 inspection sticker. Possibly the last time it was on the road, and the kids had vandalized it before he bought it. But oh no, it's 1980 must be the last time it was registered. We have extra parts that come with it. It's a good solid section, except for this seam right here. Everything else is good. So there's some real nice replacement parts. Your weather strip channel is nice. And would you believe all these parts come with it? Rust-free fenders, hubcaps, interior, nice trunk lid, seats, and of course there's the main reason I bought the car, purple dragonfly floor mats. Lots and lots of trim. Another steering column with a standard wheel. Two dashboards. Very cool. Very nice fenders. More seats. It's a very nice trunk lid that'll clean up real good. There's an important part over there. Let's see, we got additional bumpers, front and rear. A lot more trim. Starters, radiator, nice hubcaps. More hubcaps. And of course the Fury trunk lid trim. Brake pedal. So, quite an assortment of extra parts to get this all back together. This gas tank is pretty trashed, but it does have a sending unit, so that may be of use. There's another barn here that had all the parts stored in it, and you'll see there are 1, 2, looks like 3 extra grills that are quite nice. And more bumpers. I see 1, 2, 3 additional bumpers. More radiator supports. There are more fenders back here. I haven't even gone through all this. There's I don't know how many fenders. There might be a couple extra sets in here. Looks like there's another hood behind here. So I need that, and I think there is, I think he said there's a gas tank in here, because I do need a good gas tank. So this is quite a find. Those are rare cars, even though they're, you know, this one isn't fantastic shape. It's a very good builder. You don't find them anymore. They all rusted out. This one, being from Texas, survived better than most, even though it does need a lot of work. It's got the cool aluminum insert on the dash. Radio, that's all there. Love the Plymouth with the mirror on the dash. That was their go-to placement for a number of years, from the 50s into the 60s. Just wild styling. I mean, look at that dash. Look at that gauge cluster. So cool. That's it. 1961 Plymouth Fury convertible.